Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student, whenever you are preparing for any examination, it is mandatory or it is very important that you should know the pattern or the format of the paper. In this period, we shall discuss format or pattern of English paper for first year, that is Higher Secondary School Certificate 1. This paper, it comprises 3 sections, section A, B and C. So far section A is concerned, time allowed for this or permissible for this is 25 minutes and the marks are 20. You will get question number 1. It has got further 1 to 20 parts. MCQ multiple choice questions are given. First of all, a statement is given which has got 4 options A, B, C and D. Candidates are to tick mark the correct option. For this purpose, students are to study each unit of the textbook thoroughly and minutely. The complete text is to be kept in mind while attempting the correct options. These MCQs are set from all the units of the textbook. Units included in the syllabus. First unit is responsibility of the youth. Now this unit has got further theme, and what is that theme? That the sense of individual and public responsibility. When you are going to study this unit, responsibility of youth thoroughly, and that you will come to know that it has indicated the sense of individual as well as public responsibility. The second unit of the textbook is his first flight. Now this unit, its theme is handling and sharing responsibilities. But you will come to know at that time when you will thoroughly study the text. The third is, that is a poem, and the name of that poem is Good Timber. It is a poem. Now this poem, once you go through, you will study the views of the poet, and these words are entirely related to the motivation and self-belief. The next unit, From the Mother with Love. So far this unit is concerned, it gives a theme, and that theme is related to the conflict resolutions. But this you can calculate only in that case once you are going to go through the text of this unit. Unit number 5th is Country for Me. Now regarding this, the theme is respect for Pakistan values and those of other nations. And in Pakistan we have got the values also, but at the same time we are going to due respect is to be given to values of other nations. Unit number 6 is Choice of Career, and the theme of this unit is choosing career and occupation. My dear student, whenever students are going to complete their education, maybe matric, intermediate, graduation, master degree, MPhil or PhD, then they are going to choose the career, that which career is to be adopted by them, where they can perform efficiently and diligently. Next unit is the white lamp. In this unit, the theme is accommodation of family and work responsibility. This is regarding the families are available and family they are going to select the accommodation. For them accommodation is very important, but at the same time they are going to distribute the work responsibility. Everybody, it is very commonly people say that everybody's responsibility is nobody's responsibility. Next unit is the world is too much with us. And the theme of this unit is appreciation and preservation of nature. So, whatsoever the nature is, so first of all that is to be appreciated and after that it is to be preserved. Preservation, these two factors are there, first appreciation and then preservation. Next unit is the blanket. This unit is regarding personal social adjustment in old life. My dear student, when a man becomes old, what will happen? That he has to adjust himself, that is personally and socially. So this unit is blanket that he is going to cover. As blanket we are going to protect ourselves from cold. We are going to protect ourselves. Similarly, when a man becomes old, but he has to adjust himself, that is personally as well as socially. Next is unit is Ozymandias. This is a poem which has been written by poet Shelley. It contains also theme that is transcendency. So when you will go through the poem at that time, you will study the views of the poet, Shelley poet, name of his Shelley. So you will, and after that you can calculate it that these are the views which has been expressed by the poet. Next unit is a long walk home. This unit is concerning the character building. The main theme is, so you must know the theme of each unit. Reason is that in MCQ you can be asked that what is the themes of a long walk home. So the theme is that is character building. Regarding character is very, you might have heard it that character is very important in practical life. There is a famous slogan, people say that wealth is lost, nothing is lost. Health is lost, something else. When the character is lost, everything is lost. So character building, character is not built in one day. It takes a lot of time. You have to build your character. That is very, very important aspect of human life. Then the next unit is university days. And the theme of this is appreciating student life. Now we have school, education institution, colleges are available, universities are available where learned scholars are teaching to the students, and students they try to get the master degree in university and they get full grip over their subjects. Any subject, maybe statistics, it may be physics, it may be chemistry, it may be biology or zoology or English, Urdu, what's Persian, Arabic, all these subjects. So if you study in the masters, so that's why master degree is obtained in college also, but university is that place, institution where you have got full grip over the subjects and you will get all the associated books regarding your particular subject. Next unit is what you do is what you are. Now the theme of this unit is respect for all profession. Different profession as ever. Pilots are available, that is a profession. Engineer is a profession. Banker is a profession. Driving is also a profession. But we must appreciate efforts, because if you want to run any country, there are various sections, professions are available, and people are going to work that you can lead a life. Because we want to lead a peaceful and prosperous life. How can we lead if we adopt prosperity? People should not hesitate to work. in any profession. Next unit is how to take a job interview. So, on completion of education, you are going to apply in any department, maybe Defence Forces, Pakistan Army, Pakistan Navy, Pakistan Air Force, or maybe Bangladesh education departments, or banking, in any department, wherever you are going to apply. So, for that you are going to appear interview. Definitely interview committee will be available. So, for that you are going to prepare. The theme is how to take interview, means preparing for selection of a job. Next unit is the road not taken. Now, this is regarding, the theme is decision making. So, in practical life, decision making is very, very important. So, how can you decide anything? That depends upon your willpower, upon your profession, upon your knowledge. The next unit is, that is regarding the progress, and this progress, the theme is regarding humans, humanism. Humanity is very important, human beings. So, if you go through this unit, what will happen, that you will come to know that what is the definition of humanism, what are the factors which are to be adopted, and how you become a perfect human being. Thank you.